Monarchs, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I have a white Christmas themed nail set. If you want to see how I did these, continue on watching. Don't forget to grab this Gelix kit that's only $10 on Amazon, and it comes with all of these amazing products, and it's a great starter kit. The link will be down below. Using my electric nail filer to file down the tips. Now to file down my actual nails. Grabbing my UV lamp to get started on the fun. Make sure to dust off all that residue from filing. Grabbing my nail glue and applying a good amount of glue onto my nail tip. Now look closely as to how I apply it onto my actual nail. I started off on the cuticle area and press downward firmly for no air bubbles to be created. Now move under UV lamp to cure. First nail done, let's continue on with the rest of the nails. These are the nail tips on my actual nails. Now, because I want this set to be on the shorter nail side, I will be using my nail tip cutter to do so. Using my buffer to buff out the shine on the nail tips to prep them for my nail polish. The nail polishes I will be using are two of the Sally Hansen in the Extreme Wear collection, colors White On and Camelot. Applying Camelot onto my middle finger and White On onto my thumb. Again applying Camelot onto my pointer finger and White On onto my ring and pinky finger. For my pointer finger, I will be doing a V French tip design. Using this beautiful glitter onto my ring finger, I will be applying some top coat before to act like glue. And to apply the glitter, I'm just using the end of my cuticle tool. Now for the easy part, the snowflake. I'm just kidding. I had to redo this nail so many times. Insert crying emojis. But I will be using my nail brush to design the white snowflakes. Applying top coat to all nails except for my ring finger and curing under UV lamp. We got our nails almost done. We just need the cuticle oil. Voila, the nails are done. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope for a jolly holidays these past or these future weeks. Spend time with the people y'all love, and again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!